Oh, hello. What are you doing in my kitchen? Well, now you're here, I think this is a good moment to explain some of the things we can do with the simple potato. I love potatoes. Well, one thing we can't do with the potato is we can't eat it until we cook it. So, here are some of the things we do before we cook a potato. With a knife, we can cut the potato like this. We can also slice the potato like this. We can also chop the potato like this. I like chopping potatoes. So after we've chopped, cut, sliced, we can also peel the potato. This is a peeler. Here we go. Can you see? Whoa. Peel the potatoes. So we can also grate a potato. This is a grater. Let's see. Like this. Whoops. There we are. And last, we can mash a potato, either with a fork or with a masher. Press down hard, we can mash the potato. So, how do we cook the potato? Well, we can boil the potato in water with a little bit of salt. We can also fry the potato in my daughter's frying pan. It's a small frying pan, but it works. And last but not least, we can roast the potato in my secret oven under here. I put it here and we roast it. And when it's ready, finally, here's one I prepared earlier, we can serve the potato. I love potatoes. So if you love potatoes, remember, you can cut, you can chop, you can peel, you can mash, you can grate, you can boil, you can fry, you can roast, and you can serve potatoes. Yeah! So, enjoy your potatoes. See you next time. Bye.